Okay, this morning I'm at the house renovation project. It's the ninth day. I'm going to get started by using this filler crayon to fill the holes in the window. And then I'm going to be mounting these towel bars on the locations the customers marked out. Okay, I finished filling everything. You can obviously see the hole. You can see the two right there. But from a distance, it's really good. And it doesn't need any painting, so that's why I prefer to do it this way. Okay, now I'm going to install these towel bars there and here and here. That anchor pushed into the wall, so I've got to use one of these butterfly bolts instead. I got to do the same thing to the other side. It ripped out of the wall also. Okay, the customer came in and provided me a doorknob. So at this point, I'm going to consider that this section of the project is complete. Okay, here's the living room. I've got everything emptied out. I'm going to start laying the sheathing. And first, I got to cut out for that vent hole. Okay, I got all the plywood laid down in the room. And now I just got to move these couple objects out of the room and then I can start laying the flooring. But I think first I'm going to go get something to eat. I'm starving. All right, I've got everything moved out of the way. And now I'm going to get a line marked. I've got a line going down this hallway. And I'm going to extend that line into this living room. And then I'm going to translate that line over so I can get it to go across the room. Just to make sure I maintain this line into this room against that wall. Because I'm more concerned that it looks good going down this hall than I am about how it looks against that wall. It's only off by a 1/4 inch side to side, so I'm actually kind of surprised by that. Seems like it might work out and it'll look right in this room and going down the hall. So I'm going to go ahead and get started laying the padding, and then I'll start laying the floor. Okay, I've got almost maybe about half of the room done now, and I've got to put another piece of the padding down, but I really need to move a handful of these things over here to the new floor now. Okay, I got everything moved, and I've got the next piece of padding laid down. I get back to the flooring. All right, I think I'm at a pretty good stopping point today. I've reached almost to this doorway, this wall with the doorway here, and I gotta move that chest, and it's really almost too heavy for me to move by myself. But I think I'm gonna move all the boxes and all the material and my tools over here to the new flooring now. And then tomorrow I'll be ready to come and do this section and start going down the hall. Okay, so I got everything moved, even the chest I moved, and I moved all the boxes of flooring. And I think at this point, I'm just gonna sweep up and put the rest of my tools away, and I'll call it a day. Today went pretty well. The bathroom's done, the sheathing went down, and I got a lot of the flooring laid in the living room. Hopefully tomorrow I can get the hallway done. I would love to finish, to be honest with you, but I would be happy to just get a large majority of the hallway done. I've pretty much assumed that it's going to go a little bit slower, but I only did maybe 3 or 4 hours of flooring today, so I may get more done than I think tomorrow if I'm running it all day. So I hope to see you in the next clip where I'll be trying to wrap up or get a large majority of the flooring laid in the hallway. I'll see you then.